Hi, Katie from Zomco here, showing you how to join binding ends. To get started, put your binding on your quilt, leaving about 10 to 12 inch gap from where you started to where you stopped. Cut the extra off the left strip, eyeballing it to be in the center of the gap. Cut a small piece of binding off that strip, open and set aside. We will be using this as a measuring tool soon. Lay out both strips overlapping the right over left. Ensure they are both smooth and straight. Grab the measuring tool, aka the small piece of binding we cut off earlier, and lay flat on the binding strip, where the fold crease is perpendicular to the binding strip. Align the right side of the measuring strip to the end of the left strip. Use your scissors to cut the right strip, aligning with the left side of the measuring strip. Take the right strip open and fold the top corner towards you, creating a 90-degree triangle and crease. Take a second and push down on the crease one more time, as this will be used as our sewing line later. Take the left strip, open the same way, and place on top of the right strip, right sides together. I have slowed down the video to give you a better visual. Flip open so the point is away from you. This creates an A. Next, take to your machine and sew along the crease line. Pin if desired. You can see my sewed line. Cut the extra off, leaving about 1/4 inch. I eyeball it, but feel free to use your ruler. Iron seams open. Ta-da! You are done, left with a binding which lays perfectly flat on your quilt.